The topic of this video is how to establish and maintain security policies, standards, and guidelines for the organization. The importance of security policies. Have you ever wondered why security policies hold such a vital role in an organization? Today, we dive deep into the world of security policies, exploring their importance, and unveiling the step-by-step process of establishing and maintaining them. The ship in the digital ocean. Imagine an organization as a ship sailing in the vast ocean of the digital world. In this ocean, there are numerous unseen threats lurking beneath the surface, ready to breach the ship's defenses. To establish and maintain security policies, you should understand the following steps. 1. Identifying information assets. To establish a security policy, start by identifying the information assets within the organization. These assets could range from customer data to proprietary software. As the captain of the ship, you need to know what treasures you're protecting. 2. Assessing risks. The second step is to assess the risks associated with these information assets. Every asset has a unique set of threats. Understanding these threats helps in developing effective measures to counter them. Remember, knowing your enemy is half the battle won. 3. Assessing risks. The third step involves developing security controls to protect these assets. These controls are the shields and cannons of your ship. They could range from encryption techniques to secure passwords, from firewalls to intrusion detection systems. 4. Documenting the policy. After establishing the security controls, the fourth step is to document the policy. This includes the purpose of the policy, the scope, and the roles and responsibilities. It also outlines the procedures for handling violations. Picture this document as the ship's charter, a guideline for every crew member to follow. 5. Getting approval from top management. The final step in establishing a security policy is to get approval from the top management. A ship can't sail without the consent of its owners. Similarly, a security policy needs the backing of the organization's leaders to be effective. Maintaining the policy. Establishing a security policy is just the beginning. Maintaining it requires constant vigilance and regular updates. It's like keeping the ship in good shape, ready to face any storm. Regular audits and reviews, keeping abreast of the latest threats and updating the policy accordingly, providing continuous training to employees. These are the key elements in maintaining a security policy. Summary of the 5-step process. So, to summarize, establishing and maintaining security policies is a 5-step process. First, identify the information assets. Second, assess the risks associated with these assets. Third, develop security controls to protect these assets. Fourth, document the policy. And finally, get approval from top management. To maintain the policy, conduct regular audits and reviews, stay updated on the latest threats, and provide continuous training to employees. The importance of adherence. Remember, a ship is only as strong as its weakest link. A single lapse in security can lead to a major breach. Therefore, every member of the organization needs to understand and adhere to the security policies. Because in this vast ocean of the digital world, your security policy is your compass, guiding you safely through the storm.